Hello YouTube, I'm Suman, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Logitech k120 keyboard. It's a mid-range keyboard from Logitech, and I got this for 600 rupees. So let's see. So you can see here's the keyboard, and the packing method is very nice, and you can see they've packed it very neatly. Let's see. As you can see here, it's given feel good typing, rugged looks, no software installation, easy to read, and it is spill resistant, it's written. So let's just unbox it. I'm here. Here is the keyboard. Let's get out, and get the USB 2.0. Keep it aside. Yes, that's it. You get a user's manual. Let's keep this aside. Let's see. Logitech, and the information on how to power it on and all the stuff. That's important information. Here's something in Chinese that you don't need. Now let's see the keyboard itself. When you look at the keyboard, you can see the class and the quality of this keyboard. When you compare it to other keyboards which are within this rate, it's very nice. When you see behind, see all those warning and Logitech, the model number. Here you have this clamp for this thing, your keyboard. Like when you keep this, you can make it comfortable to type. So, and here you have all those caps lock, all those indicating lights, and when you see here, you can see the new Windows 8 icon or the normal Windows icon, and here you have a big backspace and a curved space bar. It's nice, and you have the small enter button, and as they told, the keys are very visible. You can see everything properly, and the numbers and all are good. Even while typing, it feels good. And you can see, and here you have this curve. You can see here you have this curve part. This makes it good, looking good. And here you have USB 2.0. So there's no software CD to install before using a thing. And here you have the Logitech branding, the model number, and for 600 rupees, I say this thing is worth it. So anyone wants to buy a keyboard from Logitech but within 600, can go for this. So thank you.